I'm gonna meet Jay after almost 20 or more days, like more than 3 weeks. And I can't wait to see him again. This is like our meetup 2.0. मुंबई ट्रैफिक में आपके पागल लड़की ने क्या क्या मंगवाया है, बाप रे।
भाई अगर ये पहन के खिला हुआ ना तो इससे बेटर है थैली। मैंने पहले थैली का ही आइडिया
थैली ही डालनी चाहिए।
तो टेक्निकली थैली ही है सिर्फ।
कौन सी साइड है उसका? इधर। इनके भाई अपार्टमेंट मुझे नहीं समझ आता है।
नीचे नंबर लिखा रहता है, वो इजी फॉलो करता हूं।
ओह आई डिडंट नो दैट। मैं तो घर पे ढूंढते बैठती हूँ।
ये नीचे नंबर है ना, तो इसलिए
Yeah.
वो है क्लियरिटी है।
Have you done something? बोल रहे हो गाड़ी है चापला।
That's why मैं सुबह जल्दी उठा था, भाई नीचे तक गया था, ईस्ट विलेज तक सुबह 7 बजे। And I was looking something else.
Oh my god. What have you gotten me?
Donuts. So you have a donut. And then I also got you a croissant.
Oh my god.
Everything on day one.
Take two. Take two. Hi. Look what she's done to her foot.
I got 8 stitches on the exterior and 2 on my muscle. Just thought y'all should know how much pain I'm in.
This is what she decided to do.
I didn't decide to do. That's what the cosmic universe made me do.
Processing it now, so I'll respond with the label as soon as I am finished.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Let me try this.
Okay, then. I'll call you later. Bye.
Alright.
Yummy. You eat yours.
My hand will
Hi. Don't. You shouldn't have sent the picture from apartment 9 on the group because now Mrs. Jones is gonna ask questions. Normally, just
See yours. Save is yours.
yummy. There's no need of
You need to receive it safe.
What the hell is going on, guys? We can't publicly expose my save addiction.
Then this is your lasan ka chutney.
Yes, that's more
And
important.
gin jam.
This is all for me, not for you.
Yeah,
Jim.
उसका भी है अलग से.
Not here, right? It's
इधर
given
भी
there.
लाई मैं.
Yeah, that's good. Varna he will take things from here. No, he'll finish my things here.
Amras.
Then go and eat his.
Okay. This is yours. Then wait.
Guys, croissant with onion taste is good.
Don't show my chutney.
Okay,
I'm giving you Dahej before our wedding.
I don't even know what it is. Oh yeah.
We are out for lunch. It is 2 o'clock and I am taking him to Ichiran Ramen because when I and Khushi went, I absolutely loved it. Such a great place and such yummy ramen. Itna actually yummy ramen I haven't even had in Mumbai. So I'm excited
That
for
says
him
a
to,
lot.
Yeah, so I'm excited for him to try it out. Really, really good. So we're gonna, it's like a 15-minute, 20-minute walk from here. I don't think you're supposed to do a line. Oh. And now what?
You drink it.
Now you drink. Is it good?
Yeah, I can drink it.
अल्कोहल नहीं है ना, पता चला भाई.
आलू यूज करना।
मीठा मीठा है पर.
हाँ, शुगर है।
That is yummy, like delicious. है ना? Now you add the spice fully, mix it fully.
पूरा ना?
Yep.
सिया?
हाँ कर कर कर. It's not that spicy.
चिल्ली का बस दिया था। Chili spicy. It's actually spicy. Should have not done so.
No. It's good level of spice. And then you drink your soda with it. So, what do you think?
Ramen was really good, just tiny bit too spicy. I think 2 or 3 is good spice, 6 is too much.
We got 5 last time and then Kushi got 7 and I was like 5 and 6 is tolerable.
No,
But इसको नहीं इतना अच्छा लगा.
6 was too
Probably 2, 3. ये लोग तो 1
Yeah.
recommend कर रहे हैं. इसको 1.
नहीं,
छोटा
नहीं.
baby है.
much. 2 and 3 would be ideal.
Okay.
It's not spicy, it's heat.
Yeah.
It just makes you sweat.
That's what we'll do next time. But I'm taking him to Nordstrom Rack because वहाँ पे ना men's के mini perfumes होते हैं. He struggles a lot carrying perfumes. So I think that will help him. एकदम बाजू में ही हम लोग लास्ट टाइम गए थे खुशी के साथ. So I'm not gonna show you guys again. But yeah, let's go. Guys, we are at the Harry Potter store. It's so big. Oh my god.
Let's see if we
Look
can
at
get
that.
butter.
Butter.
Wait, there is butter here. It's really yummy. You would love it. It's butterscotch.
Wallets, like bags. Slytherin and then Hufflepuff and then Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff and then what was it? Gryffindor. Shit.
That's the main one. Come on.
Are these wands? Oh, ऐसे ही blocks है. Oh yeah, these are wands. Goldstein. कौन है ये? Porpentia Goldstein, Victor Crumb, Jacob Kowalski, Tonks.
Goldstein is their player, the Quidditch player.
Oh.
The old Quidditch player.
Henrietta
What's
Fisher.
happening? I'm answering questions.
Anton O'Gara. Ooh. Open one and show Victor Crumbs. Yeah, that doesn't look very interesting.
I mean, he's not an interesting character. I think the best
Yeah.
one.
These are all character wands. Ooh, look, this is the Elder Wand. Albus Dumbledore. Newt Scamander. Severus Snape. I like Snape's wand actually. See? Snape's wand is good.
Yeah, no, Voldemort has a really.
Ye raha, this is the Elder Wand.
No, not this one though.
Ooh, this is an authentic prop. Sirius Black's wand. Jacob Kowalski. Albus Dumbledore. Aberfroth hai. Letta Lestrange. Queenie. Beautiful. Ooh, I got Hermione. Dragon Heartstring Core. This is our this thing, Patronus. It's Wingardium Leviosa. That's Ron Weasley. That's the gargoyle. Oh my god, that is so cool. And look what's written there. One can never have enough socks. This is what Albus Dumbledore says. This is like all the merch section. So cool. Oh my god. Umbrellas. Jay wanted a Slytherin umbrella, na? You can get it. Slytherin umbrella. That is like super good quality stuff. The caps and like the mugs. Mugs are actually really good quality. I don't use them, but like that's something you can definitely. Oh, you get butterbeer also, Jay. Yeah, we will. But like super good quality stuff, huh? I want to get a Harry Potter fridge magnet though. But like a good one. Guys, chocolate frogs. Oh my god. We can actually get it. And we can try it now. Let's get one.
Yeah. You can get
Yeah, let's get it. Let's look around. Honeydew. That's so cool. So many chocolate. Oh, that's $12 ka lena. Jay, take this one. The love potion, and then the Felix Felicis. Oh my god, like
I'll get it for you.
they're so cool. And then they'll have all these different like chocolates. This is like Tong Tong, and then the quills. Oh my god. That like this entire section is just so cool. Just click a picture of me now. उसमें ही click कर. Look, they have dark mark also. Guys, they already have like all the soft toys. Look, Dobby. A Dobby.
I have one.
So cute. They have Hedwig and all of that. Like, oh my god. Walking down the gargoyle. I am so glad that I did this tour with you. Like, he had told me specifically कि इधर मत जाना, हम साथ में जाएंगे. And I'm like, literally, I'm so glad. It's so cool.
She was the one who actually made me watch Harry Potter.
Yeah, I
I
did.
hadn't watched Harry Potter in what? June last year.
Yeah.
So
Super cool. Let's start from
now
here.
I'm telling you back.
Ooh, they have tote bags. But I want to hurry. Ooh, that? How much is it for? $5. I can take it. Guys, this is the Horcrux locket.
I know. इसने वो पहन के रखा है रॉन बहुत टाइम तक.
Trying on my first butterbeer. That's yummy. Okay, guys, we are ready for dinner. And this is my outfit. I love this. I'm wearing this like skirt after so long. I got this from West Side and I love it. And then I'm just pairing it up with like a spaghetti. And yeah, we're gonna go to Din Tai Fung because I really wanted to go there. So that's tonight's dinner date night plan. It is 7. So we're gonna go to the Disney store first and then we're gonna go for dinner. So yeah, let's go. Guys, look at these robot delivering items. So cool.
तुझे इंडियन स्टोर में दिखाना चाहिए था ऑस्टिन में बिरयानी डिलीवर करता है यही लोग.
Yummy.
This to me looks like
Try it. Tell me it's not good.
looks like
No, that's too much sauce. Guys, Empire State glowing.
I mean it glows. It's
So cool.
glittering. So
Yeah, let me like clean it up for you guys to see nicely.
it's very good without flash.
Cute. Like literally इसके balcony के बाहर का view है, like so pretty. Very good morning from our sleepy faces. Both of us are
Farm fresh.
This is so. ना मेरे को embarrass है. क्या है तेरा हर टाइम में फोटो लेने का? Dude, seriously. What is your review?
It's nice, but
You wanna try this? Is it? Wow, I love these old style boxes.
Old style what?
Box.
guys, मैं बहुत सारा shopping किया, but I didn't show that because at this point, like I've shown you guys a lot of shopping, and now we've come to this Chinese restaurant called Chi. So let's see. I didn't have that much breakfast. I'm a little hungry. These two are not that hungry. But yeah, I'm excited to eat yummy food.
More dumplings.
Guys, they have my cucumber salad. I'm so excited to have it. Yesterday was so yummy. We got 2 servings. I'm super excited to try it again.
I like क्या कुछ तो हो क्या बोली मित्र कि कैसे तो हो रहा है इतना नहीं
कहाँ हो रहा है?
हाय मेरे को कैसे तो हो रहा है like right here hi this is too zoomed in no cuts please
Guys,
Jai
the
Hind
amount
हो रहा
of
है,
shopping
अभी
that we have done. Oh my god. हाँ,
Jai
ये
हो.
इसके मैडम का चालू.
thank you wow are you
Okay, guys, fit check. Me, Jay, and Akshay are going out for dinner, and then we're gonna do the 4th of July fireworks. So this is what I'm wearing. My dress is from Zara, and I finally am using my new Aldo bag. And then this is Jay's outfit. Rocking it since morning, but yeah, let's go for dinner.
Fried.
Guys, this is a bougie place. Like, you keep your feet here. So cool. And then it's like a seating. You didn't even take the rice cake.
It is a rice cake.
That's wrong.
how is it guys how is it Jai first eat
I don't have any rice cake. It's only mushrooms and tofu.
just take one just take
Take
one
one from me.
You just take one from that just take it Jai is so complicated in
और एक शॉट कर.
No, it's fine go
No, let's do now. Cheers.
so cute very patient until I lose your patience and then we have a fight. But you're very patient.
Guys, I'm doing this to myself again because of her. She wants me to get my nails done, so I was like, okay, I don't know how long they're gonna last, but I'm gonna give it one more shot. Let's see, which one do I go for? Is look at her nails, and then she did 2 different colors. You should vlog.
Yeah.
Okay, we are Upar Lake. We are going to see the fireworks. So I think it's almost 7:45 now.
Yeah, 8. It's almost 8.
Okay, so we are leaving. We'll reach there by 8:30.
We target to reach there by 8:30. Depending
Yeah, we
on
have a
us,
few
we'll see.
friends joining in as well. So yeah, we'll see you guys also. Look at my nails.
That's the third one in the US.
I hope this one lasts at least.
Day
like-
1, day midpoint, and
My
almost.
card balance is just $150 at this point.
That's a lot of money. You can do like 3 more.
No, no, but yeah, like yeah. So, bye. Okay, look at the crowd. It's crazy. But ठीक है, तो दादर स्टेशन है अपना.
But लोग दादर के नहीं हैं.
I mean, थोड़े बहुत हो सकते
लोग
हैं.
पैनिक कर गए.
Crazy. This is just crazy. Like आगे और भी लोग हैं, पीछे भी और लोग हैं, मतलब insane. Like this way or that way. we had a successful this thing. कोई नहीं पहुंच पाया, ना विवेक पहुंच पाया, ना परिधि and all like my friends were also coming. वो लोग भी नहीं पहुंचे. हाँ, but I think like the perfect view would have been someone who's like exactly between Brooklyn and Manhattan Bridge. But फिर भी like we got a very very decent view. अभी we are all meeting up. Of course अभी नहीं मिल पाया तो we are going for dessert at Van Leeuwen ice cream. I was like that's the only spot that I know is tried and tested and like सबको बीच में मिले cause परिधि and all are in like World Trade Center and like ये लोग इधर उधर है. So yeah, let's catch up with everyone. Guys, look at that. I think that's what Empire State, right?
No.
What is that? Some random building.
That's the one that's near Times Square.
And then the American flag. And also we didn't vlog
like
that
the fact
much.
That every building that has a cone on top of it, you're like that's Empire State.
Because everyone stopped me that. But yeah, anyway, I didn't vlog that much because like बहुत कम time हमने ice cream खाया and then like we chilled for an hour or so and then we left. But now we are back home and I cannot wait to like change and just like chill. I think we had too much food today.
Yeah.
I'm like
Actually,
super full. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. That breakfast looks so good and look who's here. We're finally catching up, but I think we made a good choice. So we got the avocado toast and then we got this Mediterranean wrap. It looks so good. Like I am so excited to have this food. I didn't vlog as much because like I woke up and I got ready. We woke up at 8:15, 8:30. I was like, let me go shower, otherwise I'm just gonna procrastinate. But just looks so yummy. The I like these avocado toast. Okay, time for the avocado toast. It's good. Guys, I'm at Uniqlo and this is their like padded like bra tank top. I don't really like it. Like कुछ अजीब ही fit है like the straps and then यहाँ से like बहुत बार like the innerwear was like visible. Not that great of a fit. And even this leggings like I just feel like it's not the right length. कुछ तो अजीब सा है like yeah, not my thing. I'm gonna show you though, but yeah, this the entire fit. I have this. I'm gonna like taking an extra small, but like for like $30. Nah, not really. Raksha and her blue dress.
फरक किस बात में?
It's comfortable to wear.
कालपासून हेच घालते.
Wait, give me a hug. Bye. See you soon. Now you don't. You're touching my teeth. So now you have to come to India, okay? Now I came to New York. Now you have to come.
In 500 days I'll be
इंडिया गरीब लगता है वैसे नहीं आता.
Hi guys, we have left. We got our car, which I really like. I love our car, and we have like a full bag of Paris baguette right here. We got our regular mochi donuts, and then we also I found Dubai chocolate donut. So I thought he would really like it, but we didn't find it at that because it was sold out. So we came to another one, and guys, look what we have here. I finally got the Doritos, the watermelon and the guava one, so he can try it because he hasn't. So yeah, that's it, and it is 3 o'clock almost. So it's gonna take us like 5. Jay, we are super late. Huh?
Yeah, now we
have to rush.
Pizza place.
We'll just pick up the pizza.
It's a wood fire pizza. You cannot pick up. You need to. It's a restaurant. You need to do a pickup wala.
We can take the box and then eat it in the car. Okay, okay, let's go there. Yeah.
Then wait. Let me pick up another one then.
And yeah, we're gonna do that because it's super late.
One second.
We'll try the Dubai chocolate one. Let me try. It looks very appetizing. Sorry. Too good.
They're really good.
I'm giving you a very bad angle, but
Yeah, very good. Look,
can you all see those shining dots? Those are literally fireflies. Like वो बुश में देखो सब जगह भाई, क्रेजी. यहाँ पे बहुत होते हैं fireflies. सामने भी है थोड़े, but not with the lights. But bush में तो literally it's like fireflies. Oh my god, we guys. Time to leave. It's the next morning. Yesterday we came home and then we were just like chilling, spending time with family because I was like meeting these people for the first time. And he's right here. Is here. I told him to get bagels and our rental car got a little punctured, I guess. I don't know what he did. But because he has to drive back to the airport, so I was like, let's just get it fixed because on the way to nasab nahi ho payega. But yeah, here he is.
लैक्टेड चाहिए मेरे को. अगर लैक्टेड
He got bagels like the one last time. He's so pretty, oh my god. It gets foggy instantly. But like, look so beautiful. Yeah, that's why I love the grass, but it's wet most of the time. Just either it's like sprinklers या तो फिर बारिश गिरी होती है ना, तो गीला गीला ग्रास होता है, फिर पूरा
स्प्रिंकलर तो होता
मड़ी हो जाता है यार इसके लिए. But yeah, time to say bye guys. Literally last vlog of US trip. Let me just stand on you because my feet is burning.